Now, as you can see that we have designed the PCB and the schematic of our template. Now it's time to place our this template we have made in the template directory of the KiCad. So let's just close this and let's close this PCB editor as well. Over here you can see that this is our template, and let's just place this board image that we have just taken a snap using snipping editor, and cut this, and let's place this in the meta folder over here, and let's paste it. Now our template file is now ready to be used with the KiCad. So first of all, let's close this project and let's see where our template files are. Go to file, new project from template, and over here you can see that this is in program files, KiCad 8, share, KiCad and template. So we have to paste our this template folder in this template folder. So let's cut this and go to C in the program files, in over here in KiCad and KiCad 8, in share, in KiCad. So over here in template, so these are all the templates that you see over here on this top, that templates are present over here. So let's paste our template we have made over here. So it's asking for the permission, so let's click on continue, and you can see that our template is now present over here. So let's see if KiCad has accessed this folder or not. So let's go to template, let's just refresh this, and let's find over here. You have seen this icon, we have added this icon in our template. Let me show you. If I go to my template folder, in the meta folder, you will see that this is our icon. So this was their requirement, that there should be an icon and info.html file along with the schematic and PCB file. This is board file, this is schematic file in that template. So the next thing is we have to add description of this template. As you can see that if I click on any other template, you see this is the description that is written in info.html file, but for this I don't even see any title over here, neither I see description, because we haven't added the title and the description in info.html file. So let's do it. Let's see. Let's just cut this video over here so that I can easily make you understand that how to write title and description. Currently you have seen that we have placed our template folder in the template directory of the KiCad, and KiCad has accessed this template in its template directory.